we're gonna do a video of our goats. Hold on one second. Stay. Hurry. You guys want food? Come on. Goats, come on. You're not gonna get food. Come on. Okay, we lock them in. Now you want to see a close-up? Do you want to do it again? Okay, no. Okay. All right. So first we're gonna give you this. If you guys aren't listening. Are you guys listening today? Nope. Here's my Billy Goat Gruff. Okay, giving him some hay. Okay, well, you guys, oh, you're very soft. Okay. Look what I have in here. Okay, well, I can't give it to you if you're not moving. So, goats do not like it on the floor. Okay. Wow, you're stepping on me. Okay, get out of here. Go. Get him out. Here's my bully. Okay. Here we go. Ah, darn it. Here, come on. And there's 4 goats. You gotta have 4 containers. Here, that's yours. Here. Okay, I did it. Look at that. Bam. And then I have Deborah's pet care. You'd rather watch them, not me. Whew. Water. I tried to do that. Okay. That's how we roll.